put those through the hole.
You helping? Good job. Is Daddy gonna let you screw?
Uh-huh. Yes. He's my screw layer right now. See, we get it set just like that. Here, you want to screw this one, bud? Arthur.
Help Dada.
Here, put your finger on here. Ready? Give me fives.
Good job. Arthur, are you helping?
Sure is.
Are you helping Dad?
Here, do this one. Here, I'm going to use this. Here, do you turn this? Go like this. Turn.
Oh, you are the best
You do that?
helper.
Here, give Daddy the screw. Here, turn it. I'll hold it. Go ahead.
Good job, bud. Daddy couldn't be doing this without you. No way.
I got the best helper in the world.